Hello, dear students. Welcome to our Excel guide on making map charts. We'll walk you through the steps of inserting a map chart to visually display geographic data in Excel in this step-by-step tutorial. First, organize your data with geographic information like country or region names and corresponding values for mapping. Then go to the Insert tab and choose My Add-ins from Add-ins section. Then choose Store. In the search bar, write Map and Search. Then add Bing Maps. Then go to the filter options and select Data Options. And set the data ranges from your data table for your map. Finally, understand how the map chart visually represents data. Here's we can see 5 circles for 5 countries. Subscribe for more Excel tips, and like, comment, and share if you likes it.